down in South Texas right now. Me and Travis came with Dave and Denny. First time I've been hunting with them. First time I've ever been turkey hunting. And I'm excited, ready to go. We believe the turkey right here close. We'll go at them. Texas stop. All of them.
We got old Travis. He's going to try to break in the brand new Winchester crossbow. Old Eddie's got the meat stick shotgun. Man, this is about to happen. It's fixing to go down.
Far left. Ready? Yeah. That boy. Shoot one Eddie. Genie. Wait. Move, Travis. Shoot him, Eddie. Good shot. Double, baby! Shoot him. That is what I'm talking about right there. A triple, baby. Woo!
He's going down, too. He just went down. He went down. He went down.
Former, baby. Hey, tell me you don't like turkey down, baby. Dude, that is some stuff right there. I'm telling you, that is it.
Man, I tell you, talking about beginner's luck, man, this was a turkey massacre, dude.
4? We got 4.
Yeah, we got 4 turkeys.
I got 2 with one shot.
Well, I wasn't trying to. I was just on one.
to hump up and nailed that rascal.
Hey, that crossbow shot was sweet.
It was. When I pulled that crossbow, I thought they were gone. That was awesome. That was great.
Look at that. I mean, that is some carnage, boys. How them Texas boys roll right there. Ain't nothing to this turkey hunt.
No.